Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate campus events with Eventful, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on the Eventful website. Visit the Eventful homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Once registered, log into your Eventful account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will see various options for event management. Click on the Create Event button to begin setting up your first event. Fill in the event details, including the title, date, time, and location. Add a description that outlines what attendees can expect from the event. Upload any relevant images or promotional materials for your event. Set the event type to categorize it correctly, making it easier for attendees to find. If applicable, select any ticketing options to manage attendance and registrations. Configure settings for reminders and notifications to keep attendees informed. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click on the Save or Publish button. Now navigate to the Automations section in your dashboard. Here, you can set up automatic notifications for attendees before and after the event. Choose your preferred communication method such as email or text messages. Customize your messages to ensure they fit your event's theme and branding. Review all your settings to make sure everything is correctly configured. After confirming that your event automation is set up, return to the dashboard. You can monitor attendee registrations and engagement from this main page. As the event date approaches, keep an eye on responses and make any necessary adjustments. After the event concludes, use Eventful's analytics tools to gather insights. These insights will help you understand attendee engagement and improve future events. And that's how you can automate campus events using Eventful effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.